Tyler Robinson charged with aggravated murder and 6 other charges in connection with death of Charlie Kirk. In a case that has sent shockwaves across the nation, Tyler James Robinson, the 22-year-old man accused of assassinating conservative political activist Charlie Kirk, has been formally charged with aggravated murder and 6 other serious offenses. The charges were announced by Utah County Attorney Jeff Gray, who also declared that his office intends to seek the death penalty, a move that underscores the gravity of the crime. The shooting took place on the campus of Utah Valley University in Orem, Utah, where Kirk was speaking to a crowd of an estimated 3,000 students as part of his American Comeback Tour. On the afternoon of September 10, a single gunshot rang out, striking Kirk in the neck. He died a short time later. Prosecutors alleged that Robinson, using a bolt-action rifle, fired the fatal shot from the rooftop of a nearby campus building, roughly 125 meters away from the outdoor event. The charges filed against Robinson are a result of a swift and intensive investigation that has been ongoing since the moment of the shooting. The charges are aggravated murder, a capital offense in Utah, which makes Robinson eligible for the death penalty if convicted. Felony discharge of a firearm causing serious bodily injury, a felony that can result in a life sentence. 2 counts of obstruction of justice for attempting to conceal evidence and impede the investigation. 2 counts of witness tampering for instructing his roommate to delete incriminating messages and remain silent. Commission of a violent offense in the presence of a child. This is an enhancement to the charges, as the crime occurred on a university campus with children present. The case against Robinson appears to be supported by a wealth of evidence. Following the shooting, investigators recovered the rifle wrapped in a towel and a screwdriver from the area. DNA evidence on both the rifle's trigger and the screwdriver matched Robinson's. Authorities also recovered a chilling note Robinson allegedly left, in which he expressed his intention to kill Kirk. Additionally, prosecutors say Robinson confessed to his partner and friends in online messages, including one sent to a Discord group chat hours before his arrest, in which he stated, "It was me at UVU yesterday. I'm sorry for all of this." The manhunt for Robinson, who hails from Washington, Utah, began shortly after the shooting. A major break came when a family member, who recognized him from surveillance images released by police, contacted a family friend who was a retired deputy sheriff. This family member reportedly told authorities that Robinson had confessed or implied his involvement. This tip led to his arrest late on September 11. While Robinson had no prior criminal history and was described as quiet and reserved by neighbors, a more complex picture has emerged since his arrest. According to Governor Spencer Cox, Robinson's family told investigators he had become more political in recent years and had expressed a strong dislike for Kirk's views, calling him full of hate and spreading hate. State voter records show Robinson is registered as an unaffiliated voter and a former straight-A student. He had briefly attended Utah State University and was enrolled in an electrical apprenticeship program. Authorities are now exploring whether he was radicalized online. Robinson has been held without bail since his arrest. He is scheduled to appear for a virtual court hearing, where he will be formally arraigned on the charges and his legal counsel will be established. The proceedings are being closely watched, as the case has sparked a national conversation about the growing polarization and threat of political violence in the United States.